Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Big day planned for you because I am responding to the request of the people of the internet. Yeah, we're going to show the Bimmer some love. Ooh. It's just gorgeous right there. Out with my best friend, lifting our engine mounts to Jesus. Because you lift me up. Yep, here she is, folks, the BMW 135i with some issues. Yeah, you know, this is a Copart car. Ignore the damage, okay? Ignore the damage. Ignore the damage. What we're doing today, we're going to give her a facelift, okay? What we're going to do, we're going to put on some headlights that I purchased online. Very, very good headlights. And we're going to see if the bumper that I bought actually fits. And we're going to do some other work with the car. It all depends on if you want to cooperate or not. So, you're going to be a good girl? You can be a good girl, good girl. So pretty. You're so pretty. Today, we're fixing a big problem, okay? If you've watched the videos about this, you know I bought the car and there were no front brake calipers. Nope, no brakes on the front. They had been cut and removed, and now I know why. Lots of money, they're worth lots of money. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is to take off this wheel, and I'm following the advice of somebody here on YouTube that gave me a great idea. So, in one of the boxes back there, and that's Lola. Say hi, Lola. Hi, Lola. See her? Yeah, she's watching today. There she is. Okay. Yeah, somewhere in one of these boxes, I have something that's going to fix the brakes. Well, I have lots of things that are going to fix the brakes. But let's see if we can do it, okay? Have you figured it out? Do you know what I'm doing? You know what I've created? Yeah, look at the, okay, this is kind of scary. Ooh, look at that. Okay, anyway, remember we tried, excuse me, we tried to fit some brake calipers that I purchased on eBay, and the guy sold them to me saying, yeah, they'll work on the 135. No, they did not, okay? Then I had a viewer comment on my YouTube channel. He said, well, just try rotors from the 128. Duh. So I did, and guess what? It's all fitting up nice and neat. We're going to have brakes on this car very, very shortly. Okay, so we have a new rotor. We have the new support right here. We're going to tighten that up. I have some brake pads. We'll put the brake pads on. We'll put the caliper together, okay? And then I have some new brake hose lines too, so we'll put new lines on there. And then she won't leak anymore. She's not going to leak anymore. All right, let's do that. what's going on right now. I'm just trying to do this a little differently. Film it a little differently. A little like Martin Scorsese. No, I don't know. What I want to do is just get this attached as quickly as possible because I want it to stop leaking. Okay, this is your brake hose right here. And is it might going the right way or the wrong way? See, he keeps forgetting. I know righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but when you're upside down and at an angle, it's a little different. Okay, that seems to be working right there. Okay, we're going to get that tightened up. We're going to get those two things put into the little holders. And then, of course, when you do brake calipers, you have the little adjustable bolts right here, okay? Those will screw into this, and we should have this good to go, okay? Let's do that. We'll do it easily. We'll do the other side, and then we'll come back and work on some more stuff. Let me shine the light on my brilliance. Look at that. Okay, that is not bent. It's just kind of scuffed right there. The brake line is on. The used one was good. I decided just to leave it on because I don't have an 11 millimeter and I couldn't get everything off. So anyway, look at that. We have brake pads. We have a brake caliper. We have no brake fluid. That's okay. We have a dust shield that needs to be replaced because I tore part of it off. It made me angry and it was all bent up. But we have a wheel that turns and brakes that bind. How about that? How about that? Okay, so we're going to put this back on. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, and then we're going to test fit some other parts, all right? Let's see what we can get done in a day. Well, like an hour, because I still have to work today. Boy, I'll tell you what, we are kicking A and taking names today. Look at that. Okay, yeah, we have a new rotor. We have a caliper. We have old brake pads, which Mike will fix. Don't worry about that, okay? We have a new rotor. We have a used caliper, and we're going to get some new brake pads on this side as well. And I did order some little inserts, but that's like the final touch. So I'm going to kind of hold off on that. What I want to do now is open the hood. Yeah, why is this so difficult? Here we go. Yeah, remember how much fun it was to realize I didn't have coils? Yeah, okay, but we do now. And what I want to see is what it's going to take to replace the headlight. This one's a good one, but it's not going to match what I'm putting on. So let's see what I can do about that. This, where does this go? I don't even know. Maybe it just tightens up. Maybe that's it. And it just kind of sits right there. Maybe it just goes like that. I guess. All right, let's see if we can take off a headlight, and we're just going to test fit one of the replacements, okay? I have not researched this. Let's see what all is involved, and we'll take it off. I don't even know if this is right, but it's coming out, okay? We almost have separation. There's a huge bracket, okay, that goes right here and it goes under the headlight. So I had to loosen that, which was lots of fun. And then, hopefully, with one hand, I can remove, look at that. Okay, so we have, listen. Yeah, that's a good sound. That's a nice sound right there. Okay, maybe there's some salvageable parts, you know? These are expensive lights. But I do want to see what happens if this guy just happens to fit inside. Okay? Look at that. Is it the same connector? Could it be? Could it be now? Let's just kind of see what happens. It is. It's the same connector, I think. Ugh. Let's look. Let's count the pins. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then a whole bunch. See? Okay, I think it's gonna fit. I think it's gonna fit. Oh. Do you hear that? That is the sound of success. The sound of silence. Okay, let's see if I can put this back in, but I don't know if that's part of the bumper or not. Okay, ignore the damage. Ignore the damage. There's nothing to see there. here's your bumper. So no, I think this is the last thing that goes on, okay? So I think we're headed in the right direction. We are headed in the right direction. So we're gonna put this on, and then we'll see if we can illuminate the situation. Let's try that. Okay, we have it put together, kind of. Still very loose, okay? Because we're not going to do any final adjusting until the bumper's in place and the fender and all that kind of stuff. And I was hoping to illuminate the situation. We're missing a couple of pieces, okay? Yeah, the young gentleman was kind enough to keep the light bulbs. That's fine, because if you know, he gave me such a great deal on these lights. How much were they? I don't know, $30 maybe each? I don't know. Okay, so we're getting closer and closer. Let's see what happens. Let me take this piece off. I don't know. That doesn't look right. That doesn't look factory. Okay, so we're gonna take that off, and then we're just gonna lay the bumper right here, and we're just gonna see what it looks like. Okay, let's just see what happens. Okay, here's a really rough fit. But look how much nicer. See? There's still some parts I gotta take off to get the bumper on. Okay, I gotta get this part up, but there's some stuff in the way down there, and it's getting hot in here. I'm not taking off all my clothes. We're just gonna call it a day, okay? Look at that. Look how much better. Yes, she is finally, look at that. Even like the headlights. Yeah, without the lights. Okay, so let's see. One thing more I want to do is I'm going to put on a new, what is that? The relay or the battery, whatever that red box is called. I do have a battery, and I bought it at Walmart, and it went bad in like 2 months. It was bad. So let's put on a battery, and then we'll give her a start. All right, let's do that. All right, my pretties, please ignore all my junk in the trunk. Yeah, my booty's getting big too. All right, we have, I know it looks bad, but that's the new one. The new battery, what is it called? Power distributor. Yeah, okay, so that's on. It's all plugged in. Everything is good to go. We have both front brake calipers on. We have both brake hoses. I actually had to go and get a brake wear indicator, okay? Remember we had this wire just kind of hanging around right there? Yeah, so that was the brake pad indicator. And I still have to get, yeah, there's still some more parts that I have to get, but I don't want to give that away yet, okay? She's still a work in progress. She is still a work in progress, but I do want to listen and see if this is going to work or not. So let's jump inside and see if she'll start. We have lights. That's a great sign. Do we have music? We have music. Do we have power? We got power, baby. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you to the man up above my little tin roof. Yes, or woman. No, it's a man. It's a woman. It's a God. It is the God. We're going east. Yay, and look how happy. Okay, so we still have, let's kind of see what's going on. Okay, we have a service engine soon light, seat belt, the brake light is still on because I just put the brakes on. There's no brake fluid left, okay? So we're not going to worry about that. Excuse me, that's not COVID. That is not a COVID cough. That is just allergies, okay? I promise. I promise. But listen, how good she sounds. I don't know if there's much oil in there, so I just don't want her to keep running forever. Because I got to figure out how to check the oil. You do it through this, I know that. But I got to figure out how it works. Okay, so let's see if we can end this video on a positive note. All right, kind of an unusual angle, but that's okay. You get the whole picture. You get the whole picture there, okay? The Bummer Beamer is back, baby. She is so back. I am very happy about this. Forgot my glasses. Okay, so anyway, the video series will continue on Mike's Bummer Beamer. We have to change the brake fluid. Then we have some little mysterious work to do with the wheel hubs. And then we have a big job. If you remember all the way back, there we go, okay. All the way back to video 1 or 2 in the series. I need a cradle, yeah. Cats in the cradle, yeah, I need one of those. Because the engine and the cradle, they're not very happy with each other right now. So that'll be another video too. But please like, please subscribe. I gotta get those subscriptions up. I've kind of stalled, I'm just shy of 12,000. So if we can get it 12,000, that would be a really good thing. All right, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, and maybe Mike will get a wireless mic. Yeah, maybe that's going to happen soon. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. I love all the comments from around the world. This is for you, my Bummer Beamer fans, okay? Bye!